Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Super Saturday update, weather update. Today, we can expect showers and thunderstorms ahead of a cold front, and we can generally expect that today between 3 and 7 o'clock this afternoon and early evening. And location, of course, is everywhere, especially along west of 95. So the areas that they're emphasizing are northern Delaware, Newcastle County, down to, I would say, roughly Middletown, and then the area of lighter precip and lighter severe weather, pretty much from the C&D Canal down through Dover to the county line in Kent County, and then um, the lighter issues will exist mostly in Sussex County. Uh, Perhaps see some rain, perhaps see some maybe minor gusty winds, but nothing on the strong or severe variety. So um, this is a radar view of later this evening. Predicted forecasts is this line of straight line cells. So this is today's run. So 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay, so this is about 1 o'clock. We have some severe cells, in um, sort of north central PA, and the front, if you want to, the front is right here. So this is at 1 o'clock. It's clear in our area. It's warm. Now, of course, the sun, the daytime heating, is going to add to the energy in the atmosphere and the instability. So, if you're out there and you say, "Oh, it's a beautiful day. This is going to be great," but that's actually not a good thing when a storm is going to come after it. So this is one. This is two. This is three. You can start to see that the cells are becoming heavier, more in northern PA, in the Poconos like Allentown, Wilkes-Barre, etc. Uh, Here's, let's see, it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Nothing much in there. Probably clouds building. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So you can kind of see how this cell here on the Maryland Delaware border jumps in an hour and smack dab right in the middle of Wilmington and Newcastle County. So, and that looks like a strong multi cell, and so there's five, there's six, and then it's just raining. Seven goes into New Jersey, and it's more concentrated in the northern part of New Jersey, but you can see how little rain it's associated with it. I mean, there's hardly anything down in Sussex County. There's very little in near Dover. It's all pretty much concentrated to the north. So um, it tells me that this is not going to be an extended statewide event uh, for the duration of the storm. So let's go to, I want to go to another, let's go to the accumulated precip throughout the duration of the storm. So this is pretty much it. I mean, okay, so let's go back to the beginning of this. So this is uh, this is noon. This is 3 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock, and so this is 9 o'clock, and then this is midnight, And you could see clearly that most of the precip is concentrated in north central PA. And we're talking 20th of an inch to a quarter of an inch in Newcastle County, and then less than a 20th of an inch throughout the state. So very little rain with this. It's going to just be a big gust of wind and and storminess, and then it's going to blow out of here uh, within 3 hours. So it's not going to be a large. It's not going to be a you know, long event. And then sorry, folks. I got some early morning grogginess. Now this is midnight tonight. This is midnight tonight. The temperature is down into the low 50s down near the coast. And then this is 12, 11, 10. This is 9 o'clock in the morning in our way. Still, temperatures aren't budging. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. By the time 1 o'clock games get here, it's in the low 60s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is looking at Sunday night. So temperatures barely budge north of us, and don't get much higher than about 60 degrees down in our area by tomorrow afternoon. So that's pretty much the weather story. So just to reiterate, showers and thunderstorms will form as cold front moves across the region. Strong, damaging wind possible. Little or no lightning. Now, of course, they're going to add a brief tornado to cannot be entirely ruled out. So we're going to always leave that in the cards now, because Delaware is the new East Coast tornado alley right around here. This is the new tornado alley. Looks like a Ghostbuster blob. Um, so the greatest threat comes between 3 and 7. Okay, so I'll be back on later today if the storms are rather severe, and I'll pop back on live and keep us up to date. That's it for me. Have a great Saturday. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.